Two common types of divergence there are: regular divergence and hidden divergence. And each of these categories consists of bullish and bearish divergence. Before diving deep into the divergence topic, subscribe to the channel please if still you haven't subscribed, and hit the bell notification on to get informed of our next channel's content. Now back to our topic. First, let's find out what is divergence. Whenever we have higher highs and higher lows on price chart, but on the indicator, lower highs and lower lows are being seen, and conversely, therefore we have divergence. Divergence can be identified by indicators such as RSI, MCDI, and CCI. In this course, we are gonna talk about two indicators, RSI and MCDI. Indicators which show divergence. First, we will talk about RSI indicator. RSI indicator stands for Relative Strength Index, which shows the power of dominance trend on the market. In point of my view, RSI is the most powerful indicator which smartly, with a high precise, shows divergence. Regular divergence. When there are higher highs in an uptrend, but through indicators, lower highs exist on the chart, therefore bearish regular divergence we have. And if we have lower lows on price chart, but indicator shows higher lows, so bullish regular divergence we have. For example, on this chart, EUR/USD at time frame 4 hours, here we have higher highs. We have an uptrend here. On the price chart, we have higher highs. But if you have a look at RSI indicator, right here we have lower highs. Assume this high. This is high. And here, right here, another high. On price chart, here we have higher highs, but on RSI indicator we have lower highs. Therefore, we have a bearish divergence right here. And as you can see, the price pulls down after this divergence. Now let's move on and find a bullish divergence. Right here, as you can see, we have a downtrend here. And we have lower lows on the price chart. But RSI indicator is making higher lows. Here it is. This is our lower lows on the price chart, but on RSI indicator, here we have higher lows. So we conclude that here we have a bullish divergence, and you can see the price after this bullish divergence pulls up right here. Hidden divergence. When price makes higher lows but indicator makes lower lows, bullish hidden divergence we have. And when price is making lower highs but on the other side indicator makes higher highs, bearish hidden divergence we have. Again, assume the chart of EUR/USD at time frame 4 hours. Here we have a downtrend. And right here we have lower highs. On price chart, right here we have a high, and here we have a lower high. But on the RSI, contrary to the price chart, here we have high, and here we have a higher high. And right here we have a bearish hidden divergence. And as you can see, the price of this hidden divergence pulls down till here. Let's find a bullish hidden divergence. Here, if we have a precise look on this uptrend, right here we have a low, and after that we have a higher low. But on the RSI indicator, contrary to the price chart, here we have a low, and after that we have a lower low. So we conclude that here we have a hidden divergence of bullish. And as you can see, the price after this hidden divergence pulls up till here. The next indicator which we will talk about and shows the divergence is MACD. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Of course, with less precise than RSI, this indicator shows divergence. Let's take a look at some real examples on the chart. Euro against US dollar chart at time frame 4 hours. Let's together find some divergences through MACD indicator. Here guys, as you can see, we have a high and after that we have another higher high. But contrary to the price chart, here on the MACD indicator, here we have a high, but after that we have a lower high. Here as you can see on the chart, this is our high and higher high, but on the MACD indicator we have high and lower high. This is bearish regular divergence, and after that, as you can see here, we have the price pulling down right here. Now take a look at this range, which the dominance trend is downtrend. Here we have a low and after that we have a lower low, but through MACD indicator, here we have a low and after that we have a higher low. So this is a bullish regular divergence, which after this second lower low the price pulls up, and so we conclude that this is a bullish regular divergence. Thank you very much guys for taking your time on this video. Feel free to comment every part of this video which is not clear for you, and write down if there is any question and recommendation in your mind. And if this video's content was useful for you, like the video. Have a good time and good trades.